Nobody in their right mind would try this, but one guy actually did. The world record for balancing a running chainsaw on the chin is 37 seconds, set by an absolute madman named David Rush. One wrong move and it's game over. But that's not even his craziest record. He holds over 250 world records, including catching the most marshmallows in his mouth in 1 minute. This guy is unstoppable. Would you ever attempt something this dangerous? Follow for more insane world records.